What's up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I want to quickly show you how you can fix the issue if your Assassin's Creed Valhalla is crashing. That's the topic of today's video, so just stick around if you're interested in that. But before we start right into the topic, I would really like to mention something. You guys would certainly make my day if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe to my small little channel. It would mean the world to me, so thank you very much. But let's start right into the topic. What do you need to do in order to fix the problem when your Assassin's Creed Valhalla is crashing? First of all, just open your Ubisoft Connect and sign in as you normally would. And then at the game section, just find Valhalla and click on it, that you can see these details here. And then in my case, I'm currently downloading an update. But in your case, just click on Properties on the bottom left corner. And here, first of all, we're going to verify our game files. So in my case, this isn't available because I'm currently doing an update. But in your case, just click on Verify Files. And then it just verifies the files and checks for any issues regarding the installation files of our Assassin's Creed Valhalla. This might take a few moments, but yeah, that's the first thing I would always suggest you. And if you've done that, then we can already click on Open Folder. And here, click on Support, Software, VC Redist. And then just double click on this VC Redist. And then click on I agree to a license agreements, and then just click on Install. In my case, another version of this product is already installed. That's why it cannot install. But in your case, this might be possible, and if so, you can solve issues with it. And then just click back to Software, Support and Assassin's Creed Valhalla. And then search your AC Valhalla application, and when you found it, just right-click on it and click on Properties. And here, switch over to Compatibility, to this Compatibility tab. And here I will suggest you to first of all run this program in compatibility mode 4. Just check this setting here, and then select Windows 8, it's perfectly fine. And then down here at Settings, I would also suggest you to disable full screen optimizations, and then just click on Apply. Or if you are using or playing this game on 2 or more users, click on Change Settings for all users. But in most cases, this won't be that important. Then click on OK, and then we can already close this one here. And then yes, cancel. And then when you have started Assassin's Creed again, open your Windows search, type in Task Manager, open this app here, and then this might look something like this for you. Then just click on More Details. And then, first of all, you just need to find your Assassin's Creed Valhalla task. So just select anything in there and type in AC Valhalla or Assassin's Creed Valhalla, or just sort by memory or CPU or GPU. Then this might be on the very top. And then when you have found it, just right-click on the task and click on Go to Details, and then make sure to stay on the same task, and then right-click again, and then hover over Set Priority. And here I would suggest you should just select anything above normal. So normal is the standard one, and then you can use above normal, high, or real time. Real time is the best. So I'm just going to use real time, and then just click on Change Priority. And now the task Assassin's Creed Valhalla has got a lot more priority, and therefore can use more capacity of our components. And obviously this will solve issues regarding crashes and so on. Yeah, that's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left regarding this topic, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will truly find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.